Dear students, in this video I will discuss about class 5 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 14 Simple Past and Past Continuous. Okay, so if you have not watched all the structures of simple past and also past continuous, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist sections and watch under the heading one sentence into 60. Okay, so here you can get a complete idea about how to change. Okay, so how to form the different structure like positive, negative, yes, no, interrogative, ws, similarly of the same of the past continuous tense. Okay, so here to complete this page from Vinita's diary using the options in the box. So at 8 a.m. okay, at 8 a.m. I was getting, so here you have to write I was getting ready to go to school. At 10 a.m. I was just here. Okay, the second option, I was sitting inside my classroom. Then next, at 2 p.m. I finished my lunch. So here third option, okay, I finished my lunch. At 4 p.m. I was having milk and biscuit. So here first option. Then next, at 8 p.m. I had dinner. Then last, at 10 p.m. I fell asleep. Okay, so here fourth option we have to use. Fifth option, okay, fell asleep. Clear? Then next, fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the given verb. You know, simple past means you have to use the second form of the verb. V1, V2, V3, V4, okay, then V5. You know, V1 is go, okay, V2 went, V3 gone, okay, V4 you know going, present participle. Then you know V5 shall or will go, okay, shall or will go. Then another verb, you know, form V6, you know, you have to add yes or yes, okay, yes or yes. Clear? There are basically 6 form of the verb: V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and also V6. Go, went, gone, going, shall or will go, then goes. Okay, so here you have to use the second form of the verb, that means V2. So here he dashed to the officer about his complaint. Okay, so here you know speak is V1, so you have to use spoke. Okay, then next, I dash flowers to my friend. You know here sent. This is V1. So here V2 you know sent. The poet dashed thousands of daffodils in the valley. Okay, the poet here you know see. The present you have to use the past, saw. Clear? Then next, Pooja dash collecting stamps as a child. Pooja you know here like, present tense you have to use past tense, liked. Then next, the lights dash off during the storm. So you know here light go, you have to use the past form went. Okay, the light went. Then next, the animals dash around the stream to drink water. The animals you know here gather is present, you have to write it past form gathered. The weather dash very pleasant yesterday. You know the weather dash, you know here be verb is given, as I have already discussed in the present tense that be verb includes you know is, am, are, was, were. Okay, so here we are discussing about the simple past, so that means we have to use was or were. Okay, so here be verb is given, so the weather was, weather is singular you know, uncountable, so we have to use here was. My grandmother dash a detective story to me. You know here narrate is in present tense, you have to write it past narrated. Okay, then next, past continuous. So here fill in the blanks with the past continuous form of the given verb. So you know past continuous means you have to use this structure, was or were, then V1 ing. V1 you know the first form of the verb, the basic form of the verb. I dash in the afternoon. Okay, I was sleeping. So you have to write I was sleeping. Then next, we dash to the restaurant for lunch when you called. So here you know go. So here plural form, plural subject is given, so we have to use the plural verb. We were going. Then next, my mother dash me to complete my homework when the lights went up. Ask. So you know mother is singular. So my mother was asking. Okay, my mother was asking. I dash the plants in our garden. So you know water. I was. Okay, I was watering. Then next, Krishna dash with his friends in the evening. You know play. Krishna is singular, so was will be used here. Was playing. Then next, the two brothers dash with each other. You know the two brothers here plural, so we are really used here. We are fighting. Okay, we are fighting. Then next, Akash dash home when he saw a man wearing strange clothes standing on the road. Okay, also Akash was walking home. Was walking home. Okay. Then next, Sima and Radha, you know plural, so we are will used here. We are here speaking. Okay, we are speaking. Then next, here fill in the blanks with the simple past or the past continuous. Okay, simple past or past continuous. You know the dog dash at the passes by until the moment when dash. That means here you know one action was continuing, and at that time another action started. So which action was continuing? The dog was barking. So this was you know this was continuing, and at that time, okay, moment when he saw his master. Okay. Then next, I dash a pizza at the cafe while I dash for my brother to arrive. Okay, I was eating. That means this action was continuing. Okay, I was eating. I have written here in. That means we have to use eating. Okay, I was eating a pizza at the cafe while I waited. Okay, while I waited. Clear? Then next, Mary and John dash on the project when they dash talk with a difficult problem. Mary and John, okay, Mary and John, we are working. Okay, we are working. When they got, okay, that means which action was continuing? They were, okay, working on the project. That this action was continuing, and at that time they got a stock. So you have to use here got and here ing. That means we are working. Then next, she dash water when you dash. That means which action was continuing? She was watering. Okay, she was watering. Okay, ing. Okay, she was watering when you called. So here you have to write called here. So which action was continuing? She was watering the plant, at that time you called. So here first one is ing, was watering, the second one is simple past called. The next, I dash my mother when my mobile phone. That means I was calling my mother when my mobile phone slipped. Okay, fell and fell. The next, Vishnu dash when his canvas. Okay, Vishnu was painting. So here ing, Vishnu was painting. Okay, Vishnu was painting when his canvas. You know the past tense of here is tore. The next, they dash the cricket match between India and Pakistan at the stadium when it dash. That means which action was continuing? That means they were, okay, they were watching the cricket match. So here you have to write we are watching. We are watching. It began to rain. Okay, it began to rain. Clear? The next, Nisha and Rama dash the dishes. That when the water. Okay, that means which action is continuing here? They were washing. Okay, they were washing. So Nisha and Rama, we are washing. We are washing. Okay, when the water finished. Clear? Then next, fill in the blanks with the suitable form of the given verse. So here one of the queens of Krishna Dev Raya, okay, sent for Tenali. So you have to use the past form. She dash look very, okay, she was looking very. The ing means you have to add ing with look. Looking very serious. She dash her plight to him. She narrated. Okay, so you have to use here simple past to him. She said the king was reading. Okay, the king was reading. You have to add ing with read. His latest play to me. I was listening. Okay, I was listening. The ing means here you have to add ing to the main verb with the main verb listen. That means listening. I was listening carefully. When suddenly I felt, so here simple past will used, the need to yawn. When I yawned, simple past, the king got upset. This here also simple past with me and has not spoken to me since. Tenali thought, so here you know the past form of think is thought. Tenali thought for a moment and promised the queen that he would help her. The next day Tenali sat, sat, the past tense of sit is sat patiently in the king's court. The king was discussing, the king was, you have to write, add here ing with discuss. The king was discussing how to increase the rice production in his empire. When Tenali heard about it, he got off. Get mean here past tense of get is got, and sowed, past tense of sow is sowed a paddy seed to the king. He said this seed will help increase rice production. However, it should be sown by someone who has never earned in his life. The king roared in anger. Roared, you know the past tense of roar is roared. In anger at Tenali's foolish suggestion. Then he remembered. Then he remembered how he got upset with his queen. He apologized to her. Apologized ed. Past tense, because he understood his mistake. Understood, the past tense of understand. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.